Have you looked in the mirror recently and wondered where the fresh, plump skin you once had disappeared to overnight? If you're over 55, you've noticed the change. Your skin doesn't just wrinkle, it transforms. It becomes paper-thin, dry to the touch, and fine lines deepen into permanent crevices. Most people accept this as the unavoidable price of getting older. But what if everything you've been told about aging skin is only half the story? Emerging research from top dermatologists suggests that the real culprit behind aged skin isn't time itself, but a silent, progressive shortage of specific nutrients your skin cells are starving for. Scientists have discovered that by replenishing these key compounds, you can effectively switch your skin's repair mechanisms back on, encouraging your body to resume producing collagen, defend itself against daily assaults, and naturally soften wrinkles. Here's the truly remarkable part. This isn't just for people in their 50s. Individuals in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s are seeing visible improvements in skin smoothness once they consistently restore these vital nutrients. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 4 specific vitamins that are non-negotiable for anyone over 50 who wants to reduce wrinkles and bring back a natural, healthy glow. And you'll want to watch until the final reveal because the 4th vitamin is widely regarded as a cornerstone nutrient for reversing visible skin aging. Before we dive into the vitamins, we need to understand what's actually unfolding beneath the surface of aging skin. After 55, your body undergoes 3 fundamental shifts that dramatically alter your complexion. First, your collagen production plummets. Collagen is the fundamental protein that acts as the scaffolding for your skin, keeping it firm and wrinkle-free. By your late 60s, your body is synthesizing nearly 60% less collagen than in your younger years. Second, you lose elastin. Think of elastin as the rubber bands in your skin. It allows your skin to stretch when you smile and snap back when you relax. As elastin degrades, skin loses its structural memory, leading to sagging and deeper wrinkles. Third, your cellular regeneration cycle grinds to a halt. A younger body constantly sheds old skin cells and replaces them with fresh ones. This process slows significantly with age, allowing dead cells to accumulate on the surface, making your skin look tired and aged. This leads to a critical question. If these changes are natural, can we really stop them? Before we get into solutions, show us you're serious. If you're committed to naturally protecting your skin, type the word GLOW in the comments right now. Now, here's where most people make a massive, costly mistake. They spend hundreds on expensive creams and procedures, trying to fix the problem from the outside in. But the hard truth is that the fundamental health of your skin is determined by what's happening inside your body. Specific vitamins act as biological keys, unlocking dormant processes that protect, repair, and nourish your skin from the cellular level up. They provide the raw materials your body needs to rebuild collagen and maintain rapid skin regeneration. This is why someone who nourishes their body correctly can maintain vibrant-looking skin well into their later decades. Let's break down the first critical nutrient. The first essential vitamin, vitamin C, you've probably heard of it for immunity, but its role in skin vitality is just as dramatic. Vitamin C is one of the most potent antioxidants your body uses to defend your skin. It actively combats oxidative stress, the cellular damage caused by UV radiation, pollution, and toxins that prematurely age you. But its most vital function goes far beyond protection. Vitamin C is an absolute non-negotiable cofactor for collagen synthesis. Think of it as the foreman on a construction site. Your body might have all the raw materials to build collagen, but without vitamin C giving the orders, construction simply cannot happen. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body struggles to form strong collagen fibers. The direct result is skin that becomes fragile and prone to wrinkles at an accelerated rate. Excellent sources include citrus fruits, kiwis, strawberries, and surprisingly bell peppers, especially the red ones. The second essential vitamin, vitamin E, is frequently called the protector vitamin or the skin's shield. Every single day, your skin is bombarded by UV rays and pollutants that generate free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. This leads directly to wrinkles, moisture loss, and dark spots. Vitamin E neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause harm. It's like a microscopic fire extinguisher for oxidative stress. But it has a second, equally crucial job: preserving the skin's moisture barrier. When this barrier is strong, skin stays supple and resilient, When it's weak, skin becomes dry and irritated. The best natural sources are almonds, sunflower seeds, creamy avocado, and high-quality olive oil. The third essential vitamin, vitamin A. If vitamin C is the foreman and vitamin E is the shield, vitamin A is the renewal specialist. It is the master regulator of cellular turnover, directly responsible for signaling your body to shed old, damaged cells and replace them with fresh, healthy ones. As we age, vitamin A levels dip, and this renewal cycle slows to a crawl. Dead cells pile up on the surface, creating a dull, rough appearance. It's like having a beautiful hardwood floor covered in dirty old rugs. Vitamin A helps you pull those rugs away. When your body has adequate vitamin A, it ramps up new cell production, dramatically improving texture and reducing fine lines. Load up on carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and pumpkin. These are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into the vitamin A it needs. The fourth essential vitamin, vitamin D. Finally, we arrive at the vitamin most people overlook. Vitamin D is the true skin rejuvenation nutrient that flies completely under the radar. Vitamin D plays a pivotal role in skin cell growth, repair, and the skin's immune system. Here's the critical part. Profound vitamin D deficiency is alarmingly common in older adults, particularly those who spend less time outdoors. Studies demonstrate that vitamin D is essential for regulating healthy skin cell turnover and controlling inflammation, two processes absolutely vital for maintaining youthful skin. When you're deficient, this process gets disrupted, accelerating aging. The best sources are a little different. Safe, moderate sun exposure on unprotected skin for short periods is primary. You can also find it in fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. When older adults consistently consume foods rich in vitamins C, E, A, and D, something remarkable happens. The body slowly regains its capacity to repair daily damage, manufacture new collagen, and defend against aging stressors. Over weeks and months, this internal work translates to the surface. Visibly smoother skin texture, noticeable reduction in wrinkles, and the return of that healthy glow that signals vitality from within. Your skin doesn't just age. It waits for the right signal to renew itself. Now I want to hear from you. Scroll down and tell us. How old are you today, and which of these 4 nutrients do you already include in your daily routine? If you found this breakdown helpful and want more science-backed strategies to keep your skin youthful after 50, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps this channel, Healthy Lifestyle, continue bringing you information that matters. Thanks for watching.